want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Festive season is here, so I'm sharing a quick and easy makeup tutorial with you guys. Starting with some moisturizer, I'm using Numberzine's sunscreen for that, but you can use any moisturizer, like whatever works for you. Just blend it nicely because skin prep is very important. Then I'm using a pore filling primer from Inside Cosmetics. I kind of like this one. It smoothens my skin and blurs out my pores, so I love using this one. Then I'm using the E.l.f.'s Halo Glow liquid highlighter. This is the dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless filter, but I like to use it under my makeup. Then I'm using this brush from PAC sent me this brush. This is such a stunning brush. Like, the color is amazing, the bristles are soft, it blends everything quickly. I mean, this is one of the best brushes I've ever used, but of course PAC makes one of the best brushes, we all know that. So yes, amazing brush. It performed really well. Then for foundation, I'm using the TIRTIR Cushion foundation, but you can use any foundation. I just love how sheer and light this foundation is. Also, it gives me a glowy base, and I love a glowy base. Even though I have oily skin, I still love a glowy base. Then I'm using this Cancel Concealer from Mars. Trust me, this Cancel Concealer will actually cancel out all of your dark circles, any pigmentation, any dark spot. It is such a good concealer. The formula is very thick, like it has a thick consistency, but that is the reason it gives you full coverage. I'm using this mini concealer brush from PAC. This is mainly for spot concealing, but I think if you really want to blend your concealer and get the maximum coverage, a tiny brush is the best for that. So that is why I'm using it, and it actually blended my makeup pretty well. I mean, you all can see it here, it's blending my makeup beautifully. I am in love with these brushes because, I mean, PAC always makes the best brushes, so I'm impressed. I love these brushes. Then I have blended the concealer pretty well, and this is how my base is looking. Then I'm using this blush from She Glam. This is in the shade Love Cake. It is one of my favorite shades, but it's a little bit subtle, so I'm using Witty from Faye just to add that pop of color. And then I'm blending it nicely. This brush is from Simba Lifestyle. I get asked about these brushes a lot, but these pink brushes are from Simba Lifestyle, and these are equally good, like really good. Then I'm using Nykaa's Matte to Last powder to set my concealer. Honestly, this is one of the most underrated products ever because it actually blurs out your pores and makes your makeup last a long time. So definitely worth a try. If you're looking for a good powder, try out this one. You won't regret it because it actually makes your makeup look so flawless. I mean, you can see how flawless and creaseless my concealer is looking now. Then I felt that my blush was a little off, so I added a little bit more, and yeah, this is how it's looking. I love that this blush blends so quickly. Then I'm using this E.l.f. Bite Size palette in the shade Pumpkin Pie. It matches my outfit, so I'm using that. I'm using the first transition shade. I'm going to use it all over my eye. You'll see it here, and I'm blending it. I've placed it in the outer corner first, and I'm blending the harsh lines because that is how your eye makeup looks truly blended. So you have to blend out all the harsh lines, and that is what I'm doing here. I'm blending it nicely. I'm taking my time. You don't have to rush, just take your time. Then I took the darker shade from the palette, but for some reason it just wasn't showing up. I mean, I tried my best. I kept trying, but nothing was happening. So I used my Huda Beauty's palette for that because Huda Beauty makes the best palettes. So I added that to darken the shade a little bit, and yeah, this is how it has turned out. I am again blending the harsh lines. Then I'm adding a little bit concealer in the center of my eyes because I'm going to put some shimmer there. It's a simple eye look. It looks very, very gorgeous. Like, I always get so many compliments whenever I wear this eye makeup, so you have to try this one out. Then I'm taking this kohl eyeshadow from Huda Beauty's palette and this one from Mars. You can honestly use any gold eyeshadow you have, but I'm using these two. I've mixed both of them because Mars one is a little more glittery, so I love using it. Then I'm blending everything, whatever eyeshadow is left on my brush, I'm just using that to blend my whole eye makeup look, so it looks put together and well blended. And this is what I'm doing. You have to have patience in order to do a good eye makeup look. Then I'm just filling in my eyebrows using a grayish black eyeshadow. I normally use an eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows, but whenever I have to get ready for festivals or for weddings or for some bigger events, I just use an eyeshadow because it looks very, very good. It looks like I have gotten my eyebrows done, like microbladed or something, so I love that effect. But yes, you can do whatever you like. Then I'm using this Colorbar's eyeliner. This is an intense black eyeliner. Like, if you are into extremely black and matte eyeliners, you have to give this one a try because it is also very long lasting. It is called the 16-hour matte eyeliner and it actually stays for hours and hours, so you have to give this one a try. Also looks very, very smooth, so I love it. Then I'm just cleaning up my brows using the concealer brush and using my favorite mascara from Staze. This one coats each one of your lash equally and it's very easy to remove as well. I mean, you just have to use some water and it will come off. So it is a beautiful mascara and this is how my eyes look after putting the mascara. Kajal is not needed. I mean, if you're not into Kajal, you can skip it. But I personally love Kajal and I feel Kajal completes every eye makeup look. So I always apply Kajal. This one is from Mamaearth. It's not very intense, but it's good for regular use. So yes, I mean, I find it comfortable. So I'm using that. Then I'm putting some eyeshadow under my lower lash line and blending it nicely just so everything looks put together and my eye makeup looks well blended and nice. And this is how it looks like. Then I'm using a shimmery eyeshadow as my highlighter, but you can use an actual highlighter, and using the same shade in my inner corner. And yeah, using it on my brow bone just to highlight it a little bit. And I think my makeup has turned out pretty well. It looks smooth, it doesn't look cakey, and it feels very comfortable on the skin, to be very honest. Next, I'm using this lip liner from Faye. I think this is one of the best lip liners I've ever used because the application is so smooth, it glides smoothly. The formula is insanely creamy, it's buttery. I mean, just look how it glides. If you have to invest in one lip liner, then go for this one because it's so good. I love the shade as well. It's in the shade Hardline. It goes with most of my lipsticks, so I really like this one. Then I'm using this lipstick from Staze. It's a liquid lipstick. It has a gloss on the other side, which is great. It's an all-in-one lip product. I really like it. Then I'm topping it off with some lip gloss from Maybelline. This is the Lifter Gloss in the shade Topaz. And I'm finishing the look with a stone bindi, like a very tiny stone bindi. I think stone bindis look so good with Indian wear and Indian makeup. I always put one whenever I'm wearing Indian. And this is how the makeup has turned out. I think it has turned out pretty well. This is how my eye makeup looks like. There is more light coming from the right side, so that's why the left side looks darker. But yes, this is how the makeup has turned out. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, take care, happy Navratri and happy Diwali.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.